Hi guys, this is the tutorial for the 4 aces effect that I had uploaded earlier. So for this effect you need the 4 aces at the top of the deck when you start the trick. And what you have to do is you have to force these 4 aces onto spectators. So either you can do a regular riffle force, which is you have a break, you have a yeah, you have a pinky break above the 4 aces, and wherever this is stop you pick off those cards, then you reveal their card. Or what I've done in my video is a different version of a riffle force, which is an original version. You can use whatever you like. So you force these cards onto them and you put down the other half of the deck immediately. This is necessary. Next you do a triple lift, revealing their card to be the ace of hearts, and instead of turning back these 3 cards, you do what's called the illogical turnover, which is a double lift, which is not a regular turnover. You do the double lift and you lift off these cards and turn the rest of the deck around. If you don't do this, what this does is you do the double lift. If you do this, you reveal the ace of spades. So take this and turn the rest of your hand around. Now they think it's the ace of hearts on top of the deck. So you take the ace of clubs, which is now on top of the deck, and put it face down into the middle of the deck. Okay? You don't let them see this. Next, you get a break under these 2 cards, which is the ace of spades and the ace of hearts, like that. And you take this deck, which you put down, you put it like that on top. The moment it touches the cards, you push it off. This is essential. It just adds a new look to the whole effect. So you've got this here. Instead of doing this, where you keep this here and then put it back down, it looks kind of suspicious. So what you do is take this and push it off. So now you have these 2 aces here and the rest of the deck facing normal and 1 face up ace in this deck. So you tell the spectator that you're going to invisibly take an ace and put it into this deck, and you just give the deck a cut. What this does is it puts the ace of hearts face down in the middle of this deck, and over here you have the ace of spades. So you just take this card onto the top. Okay? Next you go through this deck and reveal that the face down card is now the ace of clubs, but don't say, oh look, there's a face down card, that's the ace of clubs. Let the magic happen. Just slow it down and turn it over. Next you want to reveal the ace of diamonds and the ace of spades. So I hope this is a clear enough tutorial. If there's any doubts, feel free to comment or personal message me. Nice. I hope you enjoyed.